Hi guys, I thought we'd just nip on. It's been a wee while since I've done a video, so I thought I would nip on and just show you an update. In here, under there I've got onions, my strawberry plants. That's the lettuce that was in my grow cupboard, my grow room. And these are comfrey plants and sweet peas that were also in the grow room. I hardened them off over a week or so. And then eventually got them outside. So that's that. I need to try and lock it again one-handed. And if we come over to the other greenhouse, which is in here, we've got the other things that were in the grow house, the grow cupboard. That's my peas, my sugar snap peas, the dwarf sweet peas, and some other plants that were also in there. Again, hardened them off and then brought them out here. And the reason I done that was so that I could do a succession planting of some other seeds. I've got some more cauliflower, broccoli, turnip, Brussels sprout, stuff like that. I've also got asparagus seeds, which are in them, and that over there. And I bought asparagus seeds because the wife bought me this from Wilco, and if you look at it, I don't know if that's going to work, so I bought the seeds. Anyway, that's that. But the reason I haven't been posting videos is because I've been working on, I don't know if you can see that, I've been working on a spreadsheet that brings up a form, and you add your data, like your plant name. We'll just do a wee test here to see if you can. And then you select the type, whether it's a vegetable, a herb, a flower, where you got it from, the date that you actually sowed it, where you're planning on putting it. He sets the peas, and I'm putting it in trellis 1. I feed it with fish, blood and bone. Feeding schedule, we can say weekly. And any special notes as in, I don't know, feed every Sunday. And then you click save. And what it does is it adds it to this list down here. Now these buttons work. You can reset it, you can exit out the form, you can, if you click in here and type in say asparagus and click search, or how do I fill it right in, asparagus, and click search, it should, oh it's not working, oh dear, oh because I've spelt it wrong. Maybe I have to look into that. Anyway, it will work. What it does is it updates this spreadsheet here. So you'll have all your seeds that you've bought, when you got them, where you bought them from, where you're planning on putting them in. And then if you go into the seed starting log, you've got, say, there's turnips that I got from Premier Seeds. I've sown 20 of them. They take 7 days to germinate. They don't, but this is just a test. Grow them on for 28 days, and then I want to plant them out. Now my last frost date in Scotland this year is the 30th of April. So this will give you an estimated sowing date. what it does is it takes that date and it subtracts these two, and it gives you the date that should be the safe time to sow them. And then that can be transferred over to this sheet. There's the asparagus. Say I planted it on the 12th of March, or I'm going to plant it on the 12th of March, and then you get a wee highlight on your calendar. Anyway, that's as far as I've got so far. In here you select your month, say July, and it automatically changes the calendar. I don't know if this is going to be any good to anybody. What do you think? Am I wasting my time? I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you're all safe, and I hope you all stay safe. I have been watching your videos on YouTube, learning an awful lot. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.